Chase points are generally regarded as the most valuable credit card point currency. That means just by adding a few key Chase cards into your wallet strategy, you're pretty much guaranteeing yourself good point redemptions while you have those cards. But what happens when you run out of points? Well, that's where this video comes in, because I'm going to present to you my 10 best strategies to earn a ton of Chase Ultimate Rewards points. In just the past year, I've closed in on over 200,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points that have gone into my account. As a result of this, I've opened up some really cool travel opportunities and vacation experiences as well. Now, I want to show you how to do that with your own wallet setup. In this video, I'm going to explain my 10 favorite strategies to earn a ton of Chase points. But pay attention and listen carefully, because not everybody listening to this is going to be able to do all 10. You really need to pick and choose the strategies that will work for your individual situation. I've also limited this list to only high earning opportunities. So there are going to be no small things like activating your bonus offers. And for each one, I'll go into exact details about the method, how many points you could earn, and the difficulty level it is to achieve that particular strategy. I'm going to start on the simpler side, but by the end, we're going to get into some pretty high value opportunities that are increasingly complex. Let's go right into method 1, taking advantage of the highest limited time welcome offers. Studies show that most people actually underestimate the impact of the sign-up bonus's windfall of points have on the value of that specific card in their wallet. Now, going for high sign-up bonuses may seem really obvious, but we're going to drill into exactly how to do this from a scientific standpoint to show you how valuable offers can be. For example, within Chase's ecosystem, you'll probably think of the Chase Sapphire Preferred and its 60,000 point welcome offer being a standard welcome offer that's pretty good. In fact, Chase advertises that value of being at least $750 in travel. However, if you use the strategy and had the patience to wait on Chase's limited time offer on the Sapphire Preferred that just expired, 60,000 points plus a $300 travel credit, you'd be returning over $1,050 in value from the same card and the same signup. That example right there is a 40% increase in the value of your sign-up bonus. Now you ask, how are you supposed to know and track what limited time offers are actually good and know when they're here so you can jump on them? My favorite two methods are this. First of all, go to uscreditcardguide.com. I'll leave that link in the description or put it on the screen for you now. This is my favorite website for tracking historical offers on credit cards so you can see what's actually good. Simply search for your card, say Chase Sapphire Preferred, and then scroll down to the historical offers chart. Method 2 is to scroll down to the link in my description and sign up for specific notifications on the cards that you want bonus offers flagged. This will allow you to look at specific banks or cards that you know you want, and you'll get a direct email as to when these cards are entering into a limited time offer. This gives you the same level of access that credit card YouTubers like myself and others in the community have when we get the information straight from the credit card companies about what is coming up. This is a beginner level strategy, just 1 out of 5 stars in difficulty rating because it's only 1 or 2 steps, and you'll be able to walk right into those elevated offers yourself. Let's look at method 2. And this is going in branch for even higher sign-up bonuses on the same cards you hear about, know, and love. The good news is there are Chase locations pretty much everywhere in higher populated areas. Chase in-branch applications often offer higher offers for their cards than publicly available ones you'll see online. All you have to do is walk in and ask if the bank currently has an offer that exceeds what's being posted on the internet. Some of the data points are really revealing. For the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you may often see 70,000 points as a minimum compared to the standard of 60. For the Reserve, same thing applies there. On the Freedom Flex, other data points give us the standard 20,000 point offer, plus a 5% cash back on groceries and gas for the first year. I've also seen data points where for the Freedom Unlimited, you can get the exact same thing. Now this is still a beginner level strategy move, but I'm rating it a 2 out of 5 stars because you actually have to get out, go into the branch, meet with them, and ask about these offers yourself. Method number 3 is enabling two-player mode. And I call it enabling two-player mode because sometimes chasing these sign-up bonuses and points is sort of like a game. And instead of following the traditional route where you'd think to open up a card and then add your significant other as an authorized user for free, that's not the ideal way to maximize bonus points for you and your travel companion. Here's what you should do. Between you and your significant other, one of you should open a card account. Once you have your account, you'll be able to go to the Refer a Friend page. I'll also leave that link below. And then specifically refer your significant other or your player 2 to the card that you just got. Now you've got the sign-up bonus, you've also got a referral bonus, and now your significant other has a welcome bonus too. Between the two of you, you're looking at more than doubling your point accumulation just from getting the same card. This is also a beginner level strategy that I'm rating a 2 out of 5 stars in difficulty because you do have to have a player 2 in your life that you want to work on earning these points together with. However, method number 4 is even easier because not enough people max out their referral links each year with the chase cards that they have. If you have a chase card in your wallet and you like it, why don't you tell somebody about it? You're probably an expert at the benefits, especially if you've had it for a while. And I find that most people are friends and associate with others who do similar things than them. So if you've tried the Chase Sapphire Reserve and you love to travel and the cards provided some awesome lounge benefits and other point redemptions for you, you probably have 1 or 2 friends who do the same thing as you, but don't realize the benefits that they are missing out on currently. Using the same Refer a Friend link for the Sapphire series, you can get up to 10K referral points per referral, up to 75,000 a year. And for the Freedom series, you can get 5K every single time you refer a friend, up to 10 referrals in a calendar year. People are 99% more likely to trust a recommendation from someone they know personally than just an advertisement or somebody in passing that they've never met. This is another beginner level step that I rate only 1 out of 5 stars in difficulty. Now these methods are about to pick up in terms of point accumulation, but also complexity. However, I'll offer one last easy level difficulty for you before we start getting into the more advanced stuff. And that is method number 5, which is to optimize your credit card rewards with today's video sponsor, which is Kudos. You all have probably heard me talk about Kudos on the channel before. They've been a partner with the channel for a long time now, and I've loved using them to passively maximize the credit card rewards that I can get just through the spending that I do every single day. Kudos does 2 really important things that just make my life easy and very efficient, which you know, when you're managing multiple credit cards, that's the end goal. First of all, Kudos knows my wallet, and when I'm shopping online, it instantly recommends the best credit cards that I could use on that website, and then inserts that and autofills the information for me, meaning it's just 1 or 2 clicks until now I'm checking out. Now the second thing that Kudo does, which means even more for people who love earning credit card rewards from spending they already do, is that Kudos offers a boost on any one of their partner merchants where they're essentially doubling the rewards you earned from a specific purchase. The only thing you have to do to get this is add Kudos as a free browser extension and then just go on shopping like you normally would. For viewers of this channel, Kudos is offering a special bonus when you use code GUARANTEE and install the extension at the link below. Code GUARANTEE will get you 2,000 Kudos points, which is enough to instantly redeem for a $20 Amazon gift card after your first purchase at a partner merchant. It couldn't be easier to boost your point earnings, which is why I'm giving this a spot on the list at method number 5 and assigning it a 1 out of 5 star difficulty rating for a very beginner level tip. Method number 6 has us getting a lot more serious, and this is about strategically taking the leap into Chase business cards. If you're strictly after sign-up bonuses and maximizing the amount of points you get from Chase, business cards are where you're going to end up. In fact, so many people like myself in the credit card game eventually take the jump, apply for business cards, and I think once you start on it, you never want to go back. That's because statistically, the sign-up bonuses for business cards are much more lucrative than they are in the personal lineup of credit cards. Let me show you. The Freedom Unlimited offers a standard 20,000 point sign-up bonus, but its equivalent, the $0 annual fee Chase Inc. Business Unlimited, offers a 75,000 point sign-up bonus. Same thing for the Sapphire Preferred. at a standard of 60,000 points, its counterpart on the business side, the Inc. Business Preferred with the same $95 annual fee, offers a standard sign-up bonus of 100,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points. You can even branch out into other Chase cards like the United Explorer card, which offers a standard 50,000 point bonus, but you could also get the United Business card, which offers a standard 75,000 point bonus. A lot of times these are very similar cards. The only difference, one is a business card, and that business card is offering much higher welcome offers for you to take on that same card. Now, the biggest thing that scares people away is they say that, oh, I don't have a business. However, I'll show you on the screen right now, many articles like this NerdWallet article have disproved the notion of what a business has to be. It can be really simple. Tutoring, dog walking, anything that gets you money outside of your traditional 9-to-5 job can qualify as a business and meet the standard, which is really low, to get a business card associated with your business. I'm assigning this a 3 out of 5 star difficulty level, considering it a moderate difficulty category, because you do have to have some sort of business, no matter how complex or simple it is. That is a requisite to get these, but I think once you get that sorted out or look for opportunities creatively in your own life, you're gonna have a whole new world of credit card possibilities to fund your travel experiences. Next, method number 7 takes the business cards and takes it to a whole new level. And that is getting multiple Chase Inc. business cards for yourself. Chase Inc. earn some of the most lucrative sign-up bonuses out there. For a typical credit card churner, the strategy would be to apply for all the different Chase Incs, the Preferred, the Unlimited, and the Inc. Cash, and get approved with your social security number. If your business is a sole proprietorship, then that's what you could do here, and you could fill out your lineup of cards with any one of those 3. However, because you can also apply for business cards with your EIN, which is the employer identification number when you file your business officially with the state, you can actually get the same Inc. card twice, one under your social security number and one under your EIN. I would suggest getting that first round of Incs through your social, and then the second one down the road through your EIN. You're gonna wanna space out applications. Chase has a firm rule on not issuing 2 cards within a 30-day period, and the typical recommended time is at least a couple of months, if not 3, between going for those Incs, so you don't get shut down by Chase. Now, this is a 5 out of 5 star difficulty technique. You're implementing multiple business cards, an employee identification number, making sure your business is appropriately registered. However, it is an advanced level technique that has some advanced level earning potential. Method number 8 builds on top of that even further, and that is referring yourself in that same process I outlined to another business card. Just like you can refer a player 2 to a personal card, you can get an Inc. card on your social security number, refer yourself later on, capture about a 20,000 point referral bonus, and then apply with that link through your EIN. This is an incredible way to stack a ton of Chase points. I'm advising this as a moderate level strategy because there are a number of factors here in play, and essentially you're going to now have to keep up with multiple cards in your portfolio, track the annual fees if there are any, and make sure you're keeping all of your spending appropriately logged and separate from each other. Method number 9 is to use a site you may not have heard of, and this is the chase.com/mybonus to see if you're already targeted for an increased offer on a Chase card that you have right now. It's as simple as entering your last name, the last 4 digits of your card, and the zip code in which you got it. And this is not some third-party website, this is actually a Chase website, and sometimes through this site, Chase will target you with higher offers on cards you already have to incentivize you to spend in certain categories and then reward you with more ultimate rewards points. You almost never know if you'll have an offer through that link, so I encourage you to go ahead and check, or what the offer will be. But you might as well if you want to maximize your Chase points. I feel that this is a beginner level step. Just going to the website is all it takes, and I'm assigning it 2 out of 5 stars in the difficulty scale. Finally, method number 10 is a long-term strategy I want to leave you with today, which is planning your wallet to repeat Chase card sign-up bonuses. Now, most Chase cards offer a general policy that you can only receive a welcome bonus offer once every 24 months or 2 years. Now, the general rule of thumb is to wait 2 years from when you received the last sign-up bonus not when you opened your account initially, and there is a little bit of a time lag in between those two events, so make sure you're tracking with your dates. One exception to this is the Sapphire series, where that 24-month period becomes a 48-month period, 4 years of waiting in between being eligible for a welcome offer on that card family. The strategy is fairly simple. Before reapplying for the same Chase card that you already had, after the time has passed, downgrade that Chase card to a free $0 Freedom card. This can be a Flex or an Unlimited or the Chase Freedom Original. Once you've done that, go ahead and reapply for the card and secure the new bonus. Now, it does all seem like a long-term strategy, but time will go quickly, and between other issuers as you're getting welcome bonuses and playing the credit card game, it's a long-term strategy worth keeping in mind. Because of the time length involved and the willingness to add multiple cards to your wallet, this is a moderate level difficulty, and I'm assigning it 3 out of 5 stars to get it done. Now, I hope this list offered a different perspective as to how you can approach your strategy to continue to fund your travel experiences. Now, since you're alongside with me in the Chase ecosystem, I'll encourage you to watch my next video where I ranked every single Chase card for you on one tier list. Thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you in the next video.